Nagtataka ka ba bakit may mga ibang tao 'pag sila yung nag-manifest, sila yung nag-wish, sila yung nag-pray, ang bilis sagutin. May dahilan din kasi. Isa sa mga tinitignan namin dito is yung rising sign mo. Meron kasing at least 6 zodiac signs, yung rising rising zodiac sign na because of their ruling planets, malakas silang mag-manifest. Pag-usapan natin isa-isa sila. Let's talk about it! So, ito na siya. So, if you have any of the following rising sign, not in any particular order, Sagittarius, Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Libra, and Scorpio, yan. Diyan kayo magpa-manifest sa kanila. Like me, I am a Scorpio rising. So, bakit nga ba mas malakas silang mag-manifest in contrast sa ibang mga rising sign? Isa-isahin natin sila. Okay, so the first sign na binanggit natin is Sagittarius rising. Bakit? Because ang ruling planet nila is Jupiter. Jupiter in astrology is the planet of luck, abundance, and expansion. Kaya ang bilis silang nagma-manifest sila. May manifest sila regardless, negative or positive, ang bilis nung manifestation. Yung mga tipong, hala, sana may tumulong sa akin on this. Sagittarius rising, Jupiter is on your side, ang bilis niyan magkaroon ng reaction on your end. Next natin na nabanggit is si Pisces rising. Why? Because yung ruling planet niya is si Neptune, which is about the intuition, which is about the unknown. So nakaka-pull sila ng support ng manifestation from the unknown, which is in the spiritual realm. Kaya ang lakas din nila. Pag meron kang friend na may Pisces rising, alam mo yung sabi mo sa kanila na i-bless ka nila, mag-declare sila ng mga beautiful and wonderful things about you, and then boom, it should manifest very quickly. Yung pangatlo is the Leo rising. Well, sa astrology kasi, ang moon tsaka ang sun, they're considered as planets. Ang ruling planet ni Leo is the sun. So, what is the sun, diba? That's the vitality. Siya yung center ng solar system that holds everything together. Ibig sabihin, the sun has total control about every energy na sa paligid niya. Siya yung merong gravity sa bawat planet. Same thing din sa'yo, Leo rising. You have the capacity to pull and organize everything na mag-align para sa'yo. That's why, malakas ka din mag-manifest. Though this next, yung sunod na dalawa pa, pagsabayin natin kasi iisa lang yung ruling planet nila. Taurus and Libra. So, ang ruling planet nyo kasi is the planet Venus. Generally, iniisip ng tao, pag ay Venus tungkol sa love, ganyan. Hindi lang. Hindi lang yung ibig sabihin ng Venus. Venus is also the planet that governs about pleasure. Alam mo na, kung paano ka magkaka-pleasure kung wala kang money, di ba? So, andoon that these two zodiac signs have the capacity to pull a lot of blessings din. Kasi, ang ruling planet nila is si Venus, who holds beauty as well. Siyempre, di ba? Once, di ba, pansin naman natin yon na kapag ang isang tao is may itsura, mas marami silang favor. So, these two rising signs have the capacity to also attract more favor and manifest very quickly. Well, last but not the least, and surprisingly, isa pa sa magaling mag-manifest, malakas, is Scorpio risings. Why? Kasi yung ruling planet nila is Pluto. Pluto is a planet of transformation, planet of metamorphosis, planet of change. At ang pag-mature, lalo pag-matured yung Scorpio rising na yung tao, matured na yung Scorpio rising niya, kaya niyang i-change yung energy regardless yung magiging mangyari, it's negative or positive, kaya niyang i-change yun para mag-work sa favor nila. Sabi nga energy cannot be created, hindi siya pwedeng sirain. Pero pwede siyang i-transmute, i-change. Para 'di ba? So solar energy to electricity, yun yung capacity ni Scorpio rising. Kaya minsan regardless kanong emotional status nila, ano emotional state nila, kapag nilipat nila ang gusto nilang gawing blessing, ma-manifest isang bagay, boom, pasok sa bangayon. So, of all, yung sa anim na yon na mga rising signs, meron ka ba? Do you have any of the rising zodiac signs, such as Again, ganti natin si Sagittarius, Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Libra, and Scorpio. Because me, I'm a Scorpio rising. So, comment mo naman kung ano yung rising sign mo. See you next time.